Weaving in ends on garter stitch fabric. I've already gotten started weaving in this contrasting end, and you can see I'm moving in a serpentine fashion on the back of the fabric. The way we'll weave this end in is very similar to the way we wove in our ends on stocking stitch fabric on the wrong side, so reverse stocking stitch. And I'm going to work in a figure 8 motion, going down through the next loop and down through the loop I've already worked through before. Tracing the bottom of that sort of figure 8, going up through the next bump and back through the bump I worked through before. Going over into that next bump and down through the bump that I already worked through. Going up into the next bump and crossing back over into the bump we came down through. Moving over and going down through the next bump and back through the bump we worked through on our last pass. I like to be sure to weave in at least 4 to 6 inches of tail, so I will continue in this same manner for a bit longer. Going down through the next loop and passing through that loop I already worked through on my way up. And that's how you weave in garter stitch ends.